Hi everybody, my name is Asandombia. I'm going to talk about health and safety in a workplace. Basically, health and safety is how we can secure our personal hygiene or safety so that there will not be any harm or danger, we are not exposed to any danger. Basically, health and safety is embedded a culture of safety and security into a workplace can make the organization operate in environments a move beneficially atmosphere to be work within, with a staff feeling positively about their workplace and condition. This simply means that whenever there is a health and safety in a workplace, everybody will feel at ease, so people not be exposed to danger. For instance, the wear of ID cards and rigorous enforcement, short as can prevent unauthorized access of people. The wearing of pass by the senior management or teams play a significant part or reinforce the organization cultures and make it much easier for the management or the manager, the supervisor, to promulgate this work. Or particularly it help controlling. Everybody have their own ID card in one way or the other. It help to avert unauthorized people into a certain vicinity. No. Then the provisions of visitor passing or restriction on these movement areas or structure, then that they make accomplished at all times by staffs can play a significant part in preventing unauthorized access of theft, like stealing of properties or many things like fraud, and embedded of security cultures or encourage staff to challenge the person not wearing a pass. However, this can also be underdone of if the manager who is not wearing the pass, some manager, they put a laws or a procedures, they are not adhere to those procedures, that one can lead to a chaos in the company or organization. Then talking about health and safety, I'm going to highlight few steps or few things that can affect people in a workplace. Yeah, like in workplace, health and safety, we have to very be careful of slip, trip, and fall. Slip, trip mean and fall. It simply means that if housekeeping, they clean the vicinity, right? Some people or staffs, they are walking around and the floor is wet, it can lead to accidents. Then also we're talking about the power supply. Power supply also, like cables and other things, they have to be conscious of all those things, because those things can also lead to accident, lead to incident. Then point number 2, I'm going to talk about IT system. IT system also can is in health and safety also, because sometimes all of the system might be hacked by another person. So in case of any situation, computers are not working, this IT system, they are there to check the safety of all this, auditing all these machines, whether they don't have any hacking or someone is trying to copy their password. Then you're talking about mailing, right? Company always have to be careful of their mailing system. They have to mailing screaming. Okay, that is the fourth point. Let me talk about the third point. The third point is access to plant rooms. Yeah, in every vicinity or every structure, you should have the plant room, right? The plant room is is a very delicate areas wherein it deals with the power supplies of the building or the ACs and other things which can trigger to major occurrence. So there should be an authorized system who should enter those places, and they should be monitoring this basic necessity, you know. Then point number 4, talking about mailing, right? Mailing. The company need to all the time check their mailing system. You know, whenever they have any they mail them any document or any items, they have to check it, because sometimes it can be a combustic items in terms of terrorism. So the office should be conscious. These are also health and safety, you know. This should be conscious. Then you're talking about the 5 points, which is fire emergency procedures. You know, in every buildings or in every structure, you are prone or we are prone to accidents or events like fire. So everybody should have the know-how. How, in case of there's a fire circumstances, how are you going to tackle it? And this incident management in your team, in your office, in every office, they should have a incident management who can evacuate in case of there's a fire. So in this situation, you have the teams that are responsible for that one, and which I've highlighted in my previous videos. You know, so I stop here, and my next topic I'm going to talk about health and safety, how you can use the first aid box, and other things.